everybody! Right now my back tire just popped and we're trying to use a YouTube emergency life hack and we're stuffing it with grass. I mean my son is here and we're just hoping it'll work and we're gonna gather whatever grass we can and stuff it in the tires. Cause it just popped and I really hope this life hack works, so I'll tell you what happens at the end of this video, and if stuffing the tire with grass works, then I'll thank YouTube for that. And now we are still stuffing it with the grass, hoping that it works. Dang, I don't even know how that happened. Damn! How did this happen? Great! Okay, and it looks like that fixed the tires right up. So, thank you, YouTube, and, yep, I guess that's that. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and use it when your own bike blows off a tire. And this is what happened to the tire. Well, this does work, but it ain't great.